I'm Saskia Van Gent, the Chief Sustainability Officer at Blue Yonder. We recently announced our new sustainability product called Sustainable Supply Chain Manager. We're really excited to bring this product to life. We've been working on it for about 18 months after announcing our vision of integrating sustainability into supply chain management. With this new solution, you can both measure and optimize carbon emissions and waste throughout the supply chain. It's built on the Blue Yonder platform and enables capabilities across supply chain activities from transportation management, manufacturing planning, and retail planning. We also announced the acquisition of Pledge. With Pledge, now we have GLEC-accredited logistics emissions calculations. Some of the highlighted solutions from these new capabilities include emissions measurement across transportation and procurement activities, being able to optimize plans to reduce carbon emissions and waste, and having certified emission factors that are aligned with GLEC and ISO 14083 standards. We're automating emissions data collection and reducing complexity by consolidating data into a single audit-ready platform. We're already working with retailers, manufacturers, and logistics service provider customers to build more sustainable and resilient supply chains.